Hello my angels, my dears, this is Angel. And today's video is not only going to show you a technique, which is making Pate Choux, but it's also going to show you one of the party treats for the holiday season. I hope you enjoy. This Pate Choux, also called eclair paste, can be used to make cheese balls, as I'm doing here, or you can make something sweet. You can fill it with pastry cream. You can make a fruit jelly, blackberry, raspberry jelly, and fill it as well. Okay, now back to the video. I was introduced to Pate Choux my first semester of culinary school. The class was baking and pastry. It was with Chef Malka, and I truly enjoyed that class. I thought it was hard at first to make this, but once you make it again and again, you see how easy and simple it is. Okay, back to the video.
White outside, and the night is cold. Everyone's lighting candles in their homes. Yes, it's Christmas. It's a magic time. You can feel it in the air, that every child got their hearts filled up with joy. Yes, it's Christmas all around. Oh, snow is falling down, all the colored lights lighting up this town. And as I walk outside, hear the Christmas choir sing Merry Christmas to you. This time of year is a time to cheer. Let our loved ones, our family and friends have a Christmas with so much love.
I don't have a stand mixer, so here I'm beating the eggs in with my rubber spatula, and I'm using the same motion a paddle attachment will be using. Alright, back to the video.
It's Christmas today. Oh, snow is falling down, all the colored lights lighting up this town. And as I walk outside, hear the Christmas choir sing Merry Christmas to you. Christmas choir sing Merry Christmas to you. Merry Christmas to you. Oh, Merry Christmas to you.
Here I'm pressing down the tops, the little tips, because if I don't, it will burn at the end. The tips will burn. All right, back to the video. My angels, my dears, thank you for watching this far. I hope you really enjoyed this video. Leave a comment for me, tell me how you like it, and tell me if you're going to try to make it yourself. Back to the video. Now you can leave this part out. You don't need to add a filling. You can just eat them just as they are. They are wonderful. But if you're going to make a filling, you can make a savory one as I'm doing here, or make a sweet one as I mentioned at the beginning of the video. I would make one using raspberry jelly and fresh raspberry. I would grind it up in a blender, squeeze it through a piping bag into the puff. Alright, back to the video. Thank you for staying to the very end. If you liked the video, give me a thumbs up, give me a like. Please comment down below what you think of it, and why don't you subscribe if you haven't subscribed already. Don't forget to hit that notification bell so you'll be notified of any new uploads. And as always, many blessings and much favor. See you next time.